Ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? Welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your host and personal bartender with another fun cocktail. And today we're going to give a little shout to all the people in the industry. We are back, almost full throttle, guys. Everybody that works in hotels, restaurants, nightclubs, bars. Guys, hang on. It's going to be a very long summer, but I'm pretty sure that everybody's happy to be out and start just working and not being worried about, this certain bug that was circulating a couple months ago. So that being said, today we're going to be making one of my favorite recipes from my work. This happens to be the Coronado Island Resort in Coronado Island here in San Diego. Outstanding cocktail, and it's called the Summer of Love. If you like gin, you're definitely going to try this thing. Please stay with me and let me show you how we do it. All right, so guys, did I mention that I would turn out to have 1,000 followers? That's thanks to you guys. And you haven't subscribed? Please do it right now. That little click, just click it right there. You're gonna have 2 cocktails a week, hopefully. Please don't forget to give us your thumbs up and to subscribe. And if you like what you see and if you like what you drink, don't forget to share it, okay? Maybe some other people is gonna say thank you. That being said, you guys, gin, yes. This is actually very simple, super easy. I know for a previous cocktail that I did before that not too many people like cilantro inside the cocktails. Guys, believe me, this gin is so tasty. Unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, I'm using Beefeater, which happens to be a good gin to make the cocktail. However, if you have the chance to put your hands on Bombay Sapphire, the Tanqueray Rampur, the Old Grove or Old Bay gin, Hendrix. I mean, like a really nice top shelf gin. Obviously, the flavor is going to be better. But for the purposes of this channel and myself here at home, Beefeater actually was okay. So how are we going to make this guy? Very simple. Let's start pouring 2 ounces of gin, followed by 2 ounces of freshly squeezed lime juice. Simple syrup. We're gonna go for 1/2 an ounce to 3/4 of an ounce. That depends on you, how sweet do you want this thing, okay? You don't want it to be overwhelmingly sweet, because what you want to have is a nice combination of the flavors of the citrus with the botanical flavors of the gin and the cilantro. Okay, so but hey, if you have a sweet tooth, why not? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab not the stem, just the leaves of 3 or 4 little branches of cilantro. Let's put some ice. You don't have to muddle anything. And you just want to give it a really good shake. Hi, production. Okay. There we go. Now, let's get a chill martini cup. There we go. If you have the chance to put your hands in one of these baby ass spheres, even better. Okay? Let's do a double strain because nobody wants to walk around and say hi with little green pieces of cilantro on your teeth. Let's finish this with a lime whale and a little cilantro leaf. Summer of Love by the Coronado Marriott in San Diego. Hope you guys getting ready and enjoy your cocktail, guys. Cheers. See you next one. seriously, I love this drink. You want to try?